Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Belmont Park in Mission Beach, San Diego area of California. Let's go check this place out. Let's go make some memories. Wings. So we have kid rides and other carnival rides, and there's the roller coaster there, which we are definitely going to ride. Let's see what's on this side here. Oh, they have a hot dog on a stick, but it's closed at the moment, probably too early in the day. There's a lot of little kiosks here. This is bumper cars. Just has the feel of an old beachside amusement park, which is exactly what this is, and it has that feel about it, which is cool. Over here we have Belmonte's Burgers. Looks like they have burgers and chicken tenders. Carnival games, which are always fun to play. Looks like there's an arcade here is what this looks like. Yep, an arcade in here where you can play games, win prizes, and get tickets. And we have fresh gourmet Mexican pops here. There goes the roller coaster. Giant Dipper is the name of the roller coaster. I feel like there's other coasters with names that are similar to that, but yeah, that's the Giant Dipper. There it goes up the lift hill, so let me catch it coming down here on the first twist and turn. So we just got off the Giant Dipper roller coaster. It's the old wooden coaster that's here at Belmont Park. Wow, that was a lot better ride than I expected it to be. From the ground, it looks like the typical, you know, beachside pier type roller coaster. That roller coaster had some speed and had some dips in it. That was a lot of fun. Tori, you just got off the Giant Dipper here at Belmont Park in San Diego. What'd you think?
It was fun. It was bumpy, but I liked all the curves and moves that it had. It was fun.
Cool. Definitely recommend it, huh? All right. The mic drop. So we just finished up our time here at Mission Beach and Belmont Park in San Diego, California. Definitely come check this place out. The beach is beautiful. It's a nice wide beach, plenty of space. It was a little crowded, but we had plenty of room. Belmont Park itself was a lot of fun. Check out the Giant Dipper coaster. Thanks for being subscribed to the channel. If you're not, hit that button down below. Hit that like button, give us a big thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below, and we will see you soon.